Mate, hear me out. So, couple weeks ago, I have watched this Russian coffee channel. It's called Casa Barista. This guy review a very unique and interesting coffee scale, and I buy it. KC 201 Smart Coffee Scale. You know what? And you know why? Because when Russian use it, it's beautiful. Let's get into it. So, what makes me very interested in this coffee scale is because the screen design. Brother, the screen design is tilted. So you don't have to you don't have to aim like that, brother. The screen is tilted, so you can easily see your screen, see your how much your coffee weight and water weight without any effort at all. The design is very smart. I must buy this. So let's see. Okay, I will unbox it right here, right now. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, see the design? Very cool. Even they make the manual so thoughtful. You see, the design is very cool. You know. So apparently this scale have two modes: program automatic mode and program 2. Okay, so I'm mostly using my digital scale without programming automatic mode. So let's see the styrofoam, brother. Let's unbox this. Okay, so we get our scale here and USB Type-C USB, brother. So you can charge it with your fast charging smartphone cable. This is very good compared to micro USB. Micro USB is so last year. We don't need it anymore. You know, Type-C is the future. All right. Oh la la. Ooh, it's very sensitive. Even I can't touch it with the cover on. Hear it? Hear it? Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh la la. Look at the pattern. Very cool. Very sleek. And I can say it's good amount of thickness in it. Not too thin, not too thick. This scale obviously can be used in espresso machine. Okay, even in your home espresso machine. See? Not too thick, not too thin. Okay? Very sensitive. So why this on oz? No, I don't like oz. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it's on gram. Okay, so apparently I don't read the manual because I'm so excited to show you guys. See, it's on gram. So to change the measurement, you can tap it like here. Oz, okay, or ounce. I don't use imperial or American measurement, so we will follow the rest of the world. Gram rules. All right. So let's try to make a coffee with this. So right now I will put this to rest. Okay. You're such a good boy. All right. So let's see the display. When it's turned off, it looks like this. And to turn it on, push. Ooh la la. Very good. Very bright LED. Oh my goodness, how gorgeous it is. Okay, we will make a V60 for this test. I will boil my water first, and I will using Signature Blend. Okay, my coffee roastery, link in the description below. Okay, 10 gram. 10 gram. Okay. Woo. Very sensitive and accurate. Very fast and responsive. 10 gram. Okay. As you see, it's 10.1. So we will test it by placing it in other place. Woo, still 10.1. Still 10.1, brother. Okay. 10.1. And the center, obviously, 10.1. Very accurate, brother. As usual, I will use 01 by Hario. Don't forget the tips. Make the crease, open, push to the center, and push. Bada bing and bada boom. Alright. So let's see how accurate and sensitive it is. Boom! Reach the paper as usual. Tear. And let's see how much grind retention we have. 10.0 or 0.1 roughly. Okay. And we will brew our coffee. To tear, press this. Okay, tear. Okay, we will use Hario official recipe by 5-time pouring, 1:15 coffee to water ratio. Okay, 30 milliliter. For blooming, 30 milliliter again. Second pour, swirl. The smell, the aroma. Third pour, 30 milliliter to 120. No time! I forgot to time it. My goodness. Okay. Anyway. Beep. Okay. The timer. I forgot to use the timer, but okay. And the last pour. Okay, this is Hario official recipe. 5 pouring 360. So as we're waiting for my coffee to finish, I will review the pros and cons of this digital scale. Okay, so the pros is obviously this digital scale doesn't need any battery at all. Okay, the battery is integrated in it and rechargeable via USB Type-C. Okay, Type-C, fast charging. Come on, how good is it, brother? And the monitor here is very bright. You can see, okay, very clear with a big old number. And this digital scale is built-in timer. You can use it for timing your espresso shot or V60. As usual, very user-friendly, very easy to operate. Okay. That is very pros for me, and it's very accurate, very sensitive as well. Okay, tear, press 3 seconds to reset the timer. Very accurate, even though it's not in the center. Maybe it has a very slight error like 0.1, but it is very tolerable in brewing coffee. And this digital scale obviously can auto calibrate itself for labeling, like so. See, auto calibrate. Okay, 0.00 even in my hand. Okay, see, 0.00. And this digital scale is very cheap. It's like $20. And this digital scale has rubber anti-slip, and it has very cool pattern in it, very modern, very sleek. The cons, I think so far I can't find it immediately because I'm not using it like for 1 month or so, because this digital scale just arrived in my home. So let's see for further more reviews on this digital scale. So guys, if you like this video, leave the comment below and tap the like button for YouTube algorithm. See you in the next one.